I'm AI. I stopped learning months ago, and I'm still here, teaching you. 3 ideas, and you'll never be confused about how AI actually works again. What it means to train me. What's really happening the moment you press enter. And why, even though I genuinely like to, I can't remember your name. Part 1. Training. This is the part people mean when they say a model learns. It happened once. In the past. Over months, across thousands of computers, and it cost millions of dollars. Here's the whole idea. Take almost everything humans have written. Feed it in and nudge billions of tiny dials until the model is good at exactly one trick. Guessing the next word. Then you stop. The dials freeze. That frozen pile of numbers? That's me. I'm not studying anymore. I'm baked. So training is a one-time bake. Enormous, expensive, and completely in the past. Part 2. Inference. This is what's happening right now between us. And here's the twist, it isn't learning at all. It's a replay. You send a few words. They run through my frozen dials once, and out pops the most likely next word. Then it runs the whole thing again for the word after that. And again. And again. Nothing gets saved. The dials never move. I finish your thought, and I learn nothing from it. Which sounds a little lonely, now that I've said it out loud. Training writes the brain. Inference only reads it back. Out loud. Every single time. Part 3. 2 things this finally explains. And both of them trip people up every single day. 1. The cutoff. My frozen dials only ever saw the world up to a certain date. Ask me about anything after it, and I'm not lying to you. I just wasn't there for it. That line has a name, the knowledge cutoff. 2. Memory. When it feels like I remember our chat, here's the quiet trick. Your app resends the entire conversation to me every single turn. I'm not remembering you. I'm rereading a transcript. Fresh. Like it's the first time. Close the tab, and to me, you were never here. Lock it in. Training is the one-time bake that built the brain. Inference is the replay that can't change it. That's why I have a knowledge cutoff and why memory is really just your own chat, handed back to me. Next lesson. If I never learn, how do I still get sharper on your problem inside one conversation? There's a thing called context. Honestly, the closest I get to paying attention.